Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter on a 2014 Toyota Tacoma. You're going to find the air filter behind the glove box on the passenger side. You won't need any tools to do this job, but a small pick can help. We're going to start off by removing the small pin right here by pushing in on both sides. Once you get the pin off, you can let that little shock just kind of hang down there, but in my case, it came off completely. And I have it right here in my hand, so we'll go ahead and install this later on. Push in on the sides of the glove box by hand. That'll loosen up the two locking tabs, and then right inside you're going to find the housing that houses the cabin air filter. I have the arrows pointing down here to it. So these two clips are the ones you need to remove. They're really difficult to push down by hand, so using an angle pick like this, and you get right behind here, you can easily lift up and unlock it. I'll zoom in for the next one. So you get the clip, the angle, right behind the clip, and just lift up. Now hopefully this isn't the case with you, but when I removed my cabin air filter, I noticed that it was really stuck, and then also the reason why it's stuck is because it was put in sideways. It didn't go in the right direction. So this is why it's getting stuck in the back. But I'm going to go ahead and show you next how to prevent this from happening and how to install it correctly. So these filters have a ridged side and a floppy side. So right here, the one side with the lettering and with the airflow direction, that's the ridged side. So this would need to be switched the other way around in order for it to be installed correctly. So if I push this back in, you can see that it gets stuck again. So we're going to go ahead and remove this and install it correctly. But before I do that, you're going to want to make sure you take a look at the blower motor housing inside here. Make sure you don't have any leaves or debris in there and get that out. This is the part number. I got the filter from Toyota, 87139YZZ09. So when you install the new filter, the OEM will have directions here on which side should be up and which direction to put it in. But in case it doesn't, the floppy side like this is going to be facing you, and the two ridged side, those are going to be on the sides. Now I know what you may be thinking at this point. The old filter had the arrow pointing down, but now the new filter I'm installing with the arrow up. Now the reason for that is because the old filter was giving me the direction of airflow, which was correctly installed as far as airflow. This new filter is giving me directions to install the filter with the arrow up, not necessarily airflow. So when you have the OEM one, you want to install it with the arrow pointing up to indicate correct installation position, which would also give you correct airflow. Now before we install the shock, you're going to have two holes. You're going to want to install the hole with the bottom one, not the top one. And it's really easy to install. It's just kind of like the bottom one where you just snap it into place. And now you can raise the glove box, bring it into position to put the pin back in. Just push it in by hand and you'll be locked into place. And one more time, we're going to squeeze in the glove box on both sides, get it over the locking tab, and you're going to be installed right here. Now the only thing left to do is just open and close the glove box, make sure it's opening and closing correctly. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know down in the comments what you think. So if you found value from the video, subscribe to the channel and check out my other videos, including more from the Toyota Tacoma to come soon. I provide step-by-step instructions, share tips and tricks along the way, and share a video with someone who you think can benefit from my channel as well. And I'll see you in the next one.